Hey there, car enthusiasts! Are you on the lookout for top-notch brake calipers to upgrade your vehicle's performance? Well, you have come to the right place. In today's video, we are diving deep into the world of Power Stop Calipers to bring you the absolute best options on the market. Whether you are a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, we have got something for everyone. So, buckle up as we explore the top 10 Power Stop Calipers that will take your braking game to the next level. Kicking off our list is the Power Stop Truck and Tow Z36 front and rear brake pad. Engineered for heavy-duty applications, these brake pads are designed to provide exceptional stopping power even under the most demanding conditions. Crafted with premium carbon fiber ceramic materials, these pads offer superior heat dissipation and fade resistance, ensuring consistent braking performance. Whether you are hauling heavy loads or navigating rough terrains, these pads deliver the reliability and durability you need for your truck or SUV. With easy installation and precision engineering, upgrading to the Power Stop Truck and Tow Z36 pads is a non-brainer for truck enthusiasts seeking enhanced braking performance. Next up, we have the Power Stop S4730 Performance Caliper, designed to elevate your vehicle's braking performance to new heights. Engineered with precision-machined aluminum, these calipers offer lightweight durability and enhanced heat dissipation, minimizing brake fade or consistent performance on the road or truck. With a high-quality powder coat finish, these calipers not only look great but also resist corrosion for long-lasting reliability. Whether you are tackling tight corners or hitting the brakes hard, the Power Stop S4730 Performance Calipers deliver the responsiveness and control you need for spirited driving. Upgrade your braking system with these performance-oriented calipers and experience the difference firsthand. Coming in at number 3 is the Power Stop KC6075Z23 Brake Kit, a complete solution for upgrading your vehicle's braking performance with ease. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to replace your old, worn-out brake components and enhance stopping power. Featuring Power Stop's exclusive Z23 Evolution Sport carbon fiber ceramic brake pads, this kit offers exceptional bite and fade resistance for confident braking in any situation. Additionally, the kit includes premium stainless steel hardware and precision machined rotors for optimal fit and performance. Whether you are cruising through city streets or hitting open highway, the Power Stop KC6075Z23 brake kit delivers unparalleled braking performance and reliability. Up next at number 4, we have the Power Stop S4299 Performance Caliper, engineered to deliver race-inspired performance for your vehicle. Constructed from high-quality aluminum, these calipers offer lightweight strength and improved heat dissipation, ensuring consistent braking performance under extreme conditions. With a sleek red powder-coated finish, these calipers not only enhance your vehicle's aesthetics but also resist corrosion for long-lasting durability. Whether you are carving corners on the track or navigating urban streets, the Power Stop S4299 Performance Caliper provides the stopping power and control you need to push the limits of your vehicle's performance. At number 5, we have Power Stop S4826 Performance Caliper, designed to deliver unmatched stopping power and precision for your vehicle. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, these calipers offer exceptional strength and durability, allowing for consistent braking performance in any driving conditions. With a high-temperature silicone lubricant, these calipers ensure smooth operation and reduced noise for a quiet and comfortable driving experience. Whether you are driving spiritedly on winding roads or cruising on the highway, the Power Stop S4826 Performance Calipers provide the reliability and performance you need to drive with confidence. At number 6, we have Power Stop Rear S4894 Calipers. Let's kick things off with the Power Stop Rear S4894 Calipers, engineered for maximum braking power. These calipers are designed to deliver exceptional performance under various driving conditions. Crafted with precision and durability in mind, the Power Stop Rear S4894 Calipers boasts a robust construction that ensures long-lasting reliability. Whether you are tackling step inclines or making sudden stops, these calipers provide the stopping power you need to stay safe on the road. With their easy installation process and user-friendly design, upgrading your vehicle's braking system has never been easier. Say goodbye to brake fade and hello to superior stopping power with the Power Stop Rear S4894 Calipers. Next up at number 7, we have the Power Stop KCOE2149 Autospecialty Caliper. Engineered to meet the demands of modern drivers, these calipers combine performance and value in one sleek package. Featuring a precision-engineered design, the Power Stop KCOE2149 Autospecialty Calipers deliver optimal braking power and control, giving you the confidence to tackle any driving situation with ease. Whether you are cruising on the open road or navigating through city traffic, these calipers provide the reliability and performance you need to stay safe on the road. With their durable construction and user-friendly design, upgrading a vehicle's braking system has never been easier. Experience the difference with the Power Stop KCOE2149 Autospecialty Calipers. At number 8, we have the Power Stop Front S2090 Calipers. Designed to deliver exceptional braking performance, these calipers are the perfect upgrade for any vehicle. Engineered with precision and durability in mind, the Power Stop Front S2090 calipers provide reliable stopping power under various driving conditions. Whether you are cruising down the highway or navigating through city streets, these calipers deliver the performance you need to stay safe on the road. With their easy installation process and user-friendly design, upgrading a vehicle's braking system has never been easier. Say goodbye to brake fade and hello to superior stopping power with the Power Stop Front S2090 calipers. At number 9, we have Power Stop Front S4652 calipers. Engineered for maximum braking power, these calipers are designed to deliver exceptional performance under various driving conditions. Crafted with precision and durability in mind, the Power Stop Front S4652 calipers boast a robust construction that ensures long-lasting reliability. Whether you are tackling stepping lines or making sudden stops, these calipers provide the stopping power you need to stay safe on the road. With their easy installation process and user-friendly design, upgrading a vehicle's braking system has never been easier. Say goodbye to brake fade and hello to superior stopping power with the Power Stop Front S4652 calipers. Last but certainly not least, at number 10, we have the Power Stop Front S3194 calipers. Engineered to meet the demands of modern drivers, these calipers combine performance and value in one sleek package. Featuring a precision-engineered design, the Power Stop Front S3194 calipers deliver optimal braking power and control, giving you the confidence to tackle any driving situation with ease. Whether you are cruising on the open road or navigating through city traffic, these calipers provide the reliability and performance you need to stay safe on the road. With their durable construction and user-friendly design, upgrading your vehicle's braking system has never been easier. Experience the difference with the Power Stop Front S3194 calipers. And there you have it, folks, the 10 best Power Stop calipers that are sure to revolutionize your vehicle's braking performance. Whether you are a seasoned gearhead or just looking to upgrade your ride, these calipers offer the perfect blend of performance, quality and value. So why wait? Upgrade your braking system today and experience the difference for yourself. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, drive safe.